guys, you know the vibe. Today we're doing a little meetup with the guys, you feel me? So keep following, keep subscribing, you know what I'm saying? Keep liking the post. And you know, we got 3 different Mustang right here. Right now, that's my car right here. That's the EcoBoost version. I showed you guys that yesterday. This one is I think it's a V6. It's a V6. That's my nigga DOD right here. And then yeah, that's a V8, like most like 8 cylinders.
I don't know if you go on y'all niggas that pull up.
I'm sorry là, eu conheço am vini moi.
Pode mas que você lá vai, foi. Daqui lá você até.
I don't know when you guys gonna pull up.
Hey, don't mind you guys, you know, we speaking Creole out here. You know what I'm saying? Everybody speaking Creole out here. So, don't mind y'all. Oh, hell no, man. Front now?
Yeah.
Hell no.
Not front now. Sukoto yo.
Eh ben, sous côté, au cas 5%.
Ah ben, ça me dit aussi, man. Moi, ça parle de tête.
Ça va pas 5%.
Non, 5% ça. Et ça pas de rien.
Ça, non, ça, on va mettre là, là. Mais ça va.
On a absolument fait. Oui.
Vous allez déjà, vous allez ici mieux des panels là, t'abonner, abonner, subscribe, vous allez à sauce divi, sauce poule, sauce blanche, you feel me? Abonner, abonner, on va nous, depuis nous même, yeah, stay tuned for the real deal.